Let's get started folding our paper super jet. Now this jet is not easy to make, but with practice, I know you can do it. We're going to start by folding our paper in half, right down the center. Once you've done that, you're going to want to take the corner and fold it down and line it up nice and straight. Go ahead and flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Now you want to take that point and fold it all the way down so it lines up with the bottom. From there, we're going to fold it back up, leaving it about 1 inch so it's folding right below those 2 initial triangles that we made. Now that you've done that, open it back up, and we're going to take the right side and fold that triangle in to make a nice, long, skinny triangle. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now go ahead and open it back up, and we're going to use those folds that we did earlier to fold the point down and then fold it back up, leaving that inch. Now this part's a little tricky. Remember that line that you had? You're going to fold using that same dotted line, but when you fold it over, you're going to need to put your finger inside this little hole right here and open that up. Then you'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, following that original fold, using your finger on this side and opening it up. From here, you're going to want to reach inside, so you have to reach under and pull out that original triangle fold from underneath and open it up. Do the same thing on the other side. It should look like a diamond right on top. Now, starting with the right side, fold that diamond in and line it up with center. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to fold this piece up right here, and it should be just below that new triangle we just made. So it's not too big of a fold. Do the same thing, of course, on the other side. Now you're going to take those exact same folds, starting on the right side, and instead of it folding up, you're going to flip it in so that it folds inside on that same line. Do the same thing on the left side. Now up on the top, we're just going to take this little corner here and we're going to fold that over to the center line. Go ahead and do the same thing on the left. Now let's take our entire plane and we're going to fold it in half, starting to look a little bit like a jet now. Once it's folded in half, I'm going to need you to grab some scissors, and we're going to cut just a small little triangle up on the top. From here, you're going to take one side of your airplane and you're going to fold it down so it makes a nice point at the very front, and that front part lines up straight with the bottom underneath it. Do the same thing when you flip it over on the other side. You're almost there. Now we just need to lift up those tail wings. So go ahead and fold that back little piece by where you cut, fold it up, flip it over, and do the same thing on the other side. Now go ahead and open your plane up by grabbing the underneath and letting your wings lift up. And you've done it. You've completed your paper super jet. Have fun with this project, and remember, the more times you practice, the easier it gets. We look forward to seeing you again soon for another fun and easy project with the Super Science Squad. Don't forget to subscribe to get the latest updates. Bye!